Welcome everyone to another brief tutorial with Learning Technology. My name is Justin. Today we're going to be talking about how to reset your Apple ID password. If you have an Apple device, you've likely encountered this before. It's pretty simple to forget your password or to mistype it. What we're going to be doing today, and that I recommend, is just to use your browser. Your web browser, whether it's your phone, a tablet, laptop, or desktop. Open it up and we're going to go to a specific website. So I'm going to open up Chrome right now, and we're going just to go to Apple's website to manage your Apple ID. And it's iforgot.apple.com. And once you type that in, it's going to ask you to enter in your Apple ID. And as you probably recall, your Apple ID is your actual email address that you use that you gave Apple originally. So for test purposes, I have an account here. And we're going to enter that in, click continue. And the first one is applicable. We're not resetting security questions. We are resetting the password. Continue again. Now, I definitely recommend the first option, which says get an email. We will send instructions to your email address ending in, which is gmail.com right there. You can do it by security questions. I don't find that to be easy. Because many people mistype with grammar or punctuation. So if you get it wrong by one letter, you're not going to be able to reset it in the web browser. That's a secondary option, kind of a last option to do. So we're going to do get an email, and we'll see what happens here. It says an email has been sent to your email address. Follow the directions in the email to reset your password. So now we're going to open up Mail, your mail that you have on your phone or tablet or what have you. Open it up where you get your email. And there it is. It says how to reset your Apple ID password. So let's go ahead and read that for a second. It says you recently requested a password reset. To complete the process, click the link below. So now we're going to do that. Click on this link that says reset now. Open up another browser. Now it's ready. It's going to say, please enter in your new password. It gives 3 requirements: 8 or more characters, upper and lowercase letters, and at least 1 number. And don't pick an easy to guess password, not just because it could be hacked, as it were, but because Apple's not going to let you pick an easy one. So if I type in an easy password, it already tells me there in red, password can be too easily guessed. I picked just one word, the first letter being uppercase with some numbers at the end. It says, nope, not good enough. But if I maybe do 2 uppercase letters, or if I have a mixture of letters and numbers, maybe something that makes sense to me, it can be done. So I'm going to pick something that is going to work. And you put it in twice accurately. If you don't put it in accurately, it'll ask you to redo it again. So I typed in things. It has 2 uppercase letters with numbers and a mixture of those things. When I click reset password, it's going to say it's been done. It's important now, likely you'll get prompts from your Apple device, phone, tablet, or laptop, asking you to re-put in your new password to sync with iCloud and your services that you have through Apple. And you also get a confirmation email saying that it was changed successfully. If you have any other questions, please go ahead and comment below, and I'll be happy to do my best to answer them. And if you have found this to be helpful, please like and subscribe. We'll have other videos with technology. And if you'd like to help to support my channel, I have an Amazon link that you can purchase through that link, and you'll be supporting my channel, as well as a link to donate via PayPal. Thank you so much for watching.